model, 66-plate Renault Master MOVANO long wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive LM35dCi 125 business medium roof van long wheelbase, spares OR repairs. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 115769. MOT, 28 April 2024. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-125 E5D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Gearbox will need repairing or replacing, doesn't engage. Engine is 100% fine. Clutch is all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat S in 2023. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0